Hi. As I said in the email, I don't mean to be a bore. I'll try and keep this short and sweet. But this is the start of a new project, and I wanted to show it to you. Show off, actually, because I'm quite pleased with the results so far. This is a barn on 730, and this is the barn that we chose to start the project with as a motif. The clients wanting a barn-like structure, and I thought this one was very elegant in its simplicity, and I also saw its possibilities to turn it into a house. So this was the point of departure, and this is the site. This is looking north. We're like the sun coming into the property. This has terrific views to the north, east, and south. No views to the west. And I did a site analysis of the site using Google Earth as an overlay. And what we have is the prevailing weather coming in this way, and the gold balloons. That's the summer sunrise, which is quite high. Summer solar path, which is quite high at noon. The orange is the winter solar path, which is low, only about 28 degrees high in the wintertime. These are the terrific views in this direction. And the site has a slope going down. The red lines are the setback lines, the white lines are the property line. This is the way into the site. And I noticed that as you drive by, you actually get a nice series of views of the house site and therefore of the house. And I thought this would be a good way in. So this is the way it translates into the Revit site. See, there's the house site, so there's the house. Here's the road, my fingertips, so there's the road. So I've set up the topography in Revit, which is 3D program, so you can see instantly what is going on with the house. It's really a pretty cool program. Now, as far as the design motif, hope you can see that here. There's the barn, and there's the design. Tilt that down a little bit. The barn, the design, the barn. What I did is I took this element, this section of the barn, and I pulled it out using a flat face for the garage. That's the leeward side of the house because the wind comes up and over this shape. It's almost tailor-made. And then I took the roof and wrapped it around to create a rounded element at the end of the house so that those rooms take full advantage of the 180 degrees of just terrific views that you have. There you see the rounded roof. The plan is very simple at this point in time, merely a suggestion as to what can happen. This is the basement level, a couple of sofas thrown in here. The furniture's put in for scale. This is that rounded area, so you have those views even from the basement level. Very economical space to finish. A couple of beds here, so a partition makes for a great bedroom. Windows out, great bedroom, closet space, a full bath downstairs. There are 3 full baths in the house. Also a washer, dryer. There would be a boiler down here, so another partition here. Still leaving a lot of space for recreation and a guest room suite, if you will. Moving up to the second floor, I'll come back to the first floor. Here's the master bedroom, a pair of walk-in closets on either side of the bed, the stairs going down. There's an opening here so you can see the floor below. Another full bath, four bed bunk room, space for the bunks, space for storage. This could be divided into bedrooms. This roof slopes down this way, remember the wind comes up over the top. So this is the lower portion of the garage, but a pull down stairs. This is the lower portion of the second floor with a pull down stairs going to the garage below. Here's the roof. I've got skylights over the 4 beds and skylights over the master bedroom. The client wishing for an observatory, nighttime observatory sort of effect. And here is the first floor. Here's the rounded room, fireplace here, views out this window, always solar gain on the south side, a living area, dining area, U-shaped kitchen, breakfast bar, a sheltered entry, closet right next to the entry, pantry here, sort of a 2.5 car garage, plenty of room for storage shelves in front of the cars. There are 2 big trucks. You could have a snowmobile here and just jockey the snowmobile in the car, or snowboards, skis, what have you. The deck also has a round shape, very minimal width here so that the sun gets down into the level below in the wintertime. This is kind of a cool way to look into the project. Here you can see the bunk room with the 4 skylights, the master bedroom with the 8 skylights above that. And then if you look down into here, you can actually see into the living room, the dining area, and we get a peek of the kitchen right there, kitchen counter. And if you ignore the furniture, you can see down into the basement as well. Here's a view from the northwest side, the way the weather comes in, so you can see how few windows there are here. Windows in the kitchen, window in the bedroom downstairs. The upstairs bedrooms rely on skylights, but that way the wind comes over the top. And the south side is on the leeward side, so snow accumulation is minimized. Another cool way to look in the program, into the house, is I can take a picture. I can take a picture anywhere. Let's take a picture here, right here, looking across. Let me set this up. So if you were curious, if you said, well, what does it look like going this way, that way? And on top of this, so here's the view. You've walked into the house, dining room table, kitchen, living room, compact design, but also we can look around in the different directions. There's the opening up in the second floor, railing looking down from that hallway. So here's the entry door, closet right next to it, and then a great view to the south. Sun comes in those windows. That'd be really pretty cool. Have to squiggle a little bit here, please. And there are the views through the rounded windows. So very versatile program. And also, if you wanted to know what, excuse me, here one more time. Last thing, if you wanted a better idea, a more realistic view of it from the outside, we can take a picture. And we can go all the way around the house. But for the trees. There you have it. Thank you.